Good morning. Today we will explain how to divide by power of 10. But before explaining it, let me remind you with how we're multiplying by power of 10. We said while I'm multiplying by power of 10, I have to count how many zeros, and according to it, I will move my decimal to the right direction. So the number will get bigger. For the division, do I need the number to get bigger? No, I wanted the opposite. I want the number to get smaller. It means the decimal should move to the left, the opposite of the multiplication, because division is the inverse operation for the multiplication. Before we start dividing by power of 10, let me remind you what means power of 10. Power of 10, it means that if I have exponent like this form, 10 we call it base, the 4 we call it power. So 10 to the 4th power. What means 10 to the 4th power? It means 10 will be multiplied 4 times. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, and this is the multiplication or expanded form. How to make it standard form? Multiply them together, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Here it is. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 will give me 1. Okay, so if you see 10 to the 4th power, it means you have how many zeros directly? The exponent will tell you. It means that you have 4 zeros. Let's see how this will help us. For example, in this one, I have 12.4 and I want to divide it by 10 squared. How we should divide? I told you on the division, I will see how many number of zeros, then I will move my decimal to which direction? To the left. Yes, to make my number smaller. So here, how many zeros do we have? 2 zeros. It means I must come to my number, move my decimal 2 places to the left. 1, 2, so my answer will be 0.124. Another one. I have 189 and I want to divide by 10 to the 4th power. How can we divide? You told me, teacher, that you will move the decimal to the left according to number of zeros. Okay, here I have 4 zeros, but where is the decimal that I should move? Also, we said before that any whole number, it has a decimal here on the right. It's hidden. We're not writing it, but if I need it, I can write it. So I can add a decimal here, then start to move. Here is my decimal, then I should move it to which direction? To the left. How many places? 4. So 1, 2, 3. How can I make one more? Yes, I should add more 0, then move it. So the answer will be 0.0189. Okay, another one. Look at this one. 34 divide by 10. Okay, divide by 10, it means I have 1 0. So I should move 1 place to the left because it's division. But where is my decimal? It's a whole number. So put the decimal for yourself. Here is the decimal to the right of the number. I will put it, then move it just 1 place. So it will be 3.4. Here it is. Another one. Here we have 240, also whole number, and I want to divide by 1000. How many zeros do we have? 3. So how many places I will move the decimal to the left? 3. Put first the decimal for yourself, then move it 3. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0.240. Another one. If you have 8.2, divide by 10, and this sign also means division, the same meaning of the division sign. Divide by 1 0, so move the decimal to the left 1 place, so it will be 0.82. Thank you so much.